Most people think an AI agent in government is just a smarter chatbot. That is too limited. A chatbot mainly answers questions. An AI agent can understand a request, collect information, follow steps, use digital tools, update records, and help complete a government service. In simple words, AI agents in government ask one major question: can public services move from simply giving information to actually helping citizens complete tasks? Imagine a citizen wants to renew a business license. In a traditional system, they may need to visit several websites, upload documents, check fees, contact different departments, and wait for updates. A normal chatbot may explain the process. An AI agent could go further. With the citizen's permission, it could identify the correct license, check which documents are missing, fill parts of the application, calculate the fee, schedule an inspection, submit the request, and provide progress updates. That is the difference between answering and acting. One major use of AI agents is service navigation. Government systems are often difficult because citizens do not know which department is responsible. Someone may need housing support, disability assistance, tax guidance, or business registration, but they may not understand the structure of government. An AI agent could ask simple questions, identify the correct service, and guide the person through the process. This could reduce confusion and save time. AI agents could also help with case management. A welfare officer may handle hundreds of cases. An agent could organize documents, summarize previous communication, identify deadlines, and alert the officer when action is needed. In hospitals, it could help schedule follow-up appointments. In local government, it could track complaints about roads, waste, or housing repairs. In tax administration, it could remind citizens about missing information. The aim should be to reduce repetitive work so public employees can focus on complex cases. Another benefit is availability. Government offices have limited opening hours. AI agents could operate 24 hours a day and support multiple languages. A citizen could ask for help in the evening, check an application, or understand a letter without waiting for the next working day. This could improve access, especially for people who work long hours or struggle to visit offices. But here's the catch. An AI agent that can take action also creates greater risk. A chatbot giving a wrong answer is a problem. An agent submitting a wrong application, changing a record, canceling a benefit, or sending incorrect information is much more serious. The more authority an AI agent receives, the stronger the safeguards must be. This is why government agents should have limited permissions. An agent should only access the information necessary for the task. It should not automatically search every government database. It should not make high-impact decisions without human review. And it should not perform irreversible actions without clear confirmation. For example, an agent may help prepare a welfare application, but it should not permanently reject that application on its own. It may identify missing tax information, but it should not accuse someone of fraud without investigation. AI agents should assist administration, not silently replace due process. Another major concern is identity and consent. Before an agent accesses personal records, the government must verify who the citizen is. The citizen should understand what the agent is doing. They should know which information is being used and which action is about to be taken. Permission should be specific. Agreeing to check an application should not automatically allow the agent to access unrelated medical, financial, or family data. Privacy must be built into the system. Audit trails are also essential. Every action taken by an AI agent should be recorded. Which database did it access? What information did it use? What recommendation did it make? What document did it submit? Who approved the final action? Without clear records, mistakes become difficult to investigate. A government cannot say the AI did it, so nobody is responsible. Responsibility must remain with the public institution. AI agents may also make government more accessible for people with disabilities. Voice-based agents could help citizens who struggle with written forms. Translation tools could support people who do not speak the main government language. Agents could explain complex letters in simpler language. But accessibility cannot mean forcing everyone into automation. Some citizens will need human support. Others may not trust the system. A person facing homelessness, deportation, abuse, or serious illness should not be trapped inside an endless automated conversation. There must always be a clear route to a human officer. Another danger is incorrect data. An AI agent may work perfectly, but use a false record. A name may be misspelled. An address may be outdated. A person may be incorrectly marked as ineligible. If the agent trusts the database blindly, it may repeat the error across several services. Citizens need a simple way to correct records and challenge decisions. Efficiency without correction creates automated injustice. Governments may also depend on private companies to build these agents. This creates questions about data ownership, security, and accountability. Can the supplier access citizen information? Can the government inspect the system? What happens if the company changes its pricing or stops supporting the product? Public services should not become dependent on a private black box. Governments need enough internal expertise to understand and control the systems they use. Cybersecurity is another major risk. An agent may connect with identity systems, payment platforms, public records, and communication tools. If attackers gain access, they could steal data, submit false requests, or manipulate government services. Strong authentication, limited permissions, monitoring, and emergency shutdown procedures are essential. But here is the brutal truth. AI agents will not fix badly designed public services. If a license requires 15 unnecessary approvals, the agent may only complete a bad process faster. If departments do not share information, the agent will still face administrative barriers. If the underlying data is inaccurate, automation will spread the mistakes. The first step should be simplifying the service. Then AI can help deliver it. Governments must also decide which tasks should never be fully automated. Routine appointments, document checks, reminders, and status updates may be suitable. Decisions involving liberty, legal rights, medical treatment, immigration status, welfare removal, or criminal investigation require much stronger human control. The higher the impact, the less acceptable fully automatic action becomes. AI agents should be judged by real outcomes. Did they reduce waiting times? Did citizens complete services more easily? Did errors increase or decrease? Were vulnerable people excluded? Could citizens reach a human when necessary? Did the system save staff time without weakening fairness? A successful pilot or impressive demonstration is not enough. Public administration must work reliably at scale. So AI agents in government are not simply advanced customer service tools. They could become digital assistants that help citizens complete public services and help employees manage complex workloads. But they also create new risks around privacy, mistakes, cybersecurity, authority, and accountability. At the Learning Studio, we will not study AI agents as digital employees that should replace government workers. We will understand them as controlled assistants that can improve public services when their authority is limited and their actions remain transparent. Because once you understand AI agents in government, you stop asking only, can the agent complete the task? And start asking the deeper questions. What authority does it have? What data can it access? Who checks its actions? Can citizens challenge mistakes? And is a human still responsible when something goes wrong?